How to add a related list in Zoho CRM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a related list in Zoho CRM, a powerful way to link more data to your leads. Let's get started. First, go to zoho.com/CRM and log in. If your account is linked, you sign in with Google for a quick login. Once you're in your Zoho CRM dashboard, click on the Leads tab from the top bar. This will take you to your list of all leads. Now select the specific lead you want to work with. On the lead details page, scroll down until you see the Add Related List button. Click it. You'll now get 3 options to choose from. These could be related deals, tasks, or custom modules you've created. Pick the type of related list that best fits your needs. This feature lets you view all the relevant info for that lead in one place, helping you stay organized and efficient. Once you've selected, the related list will appear directly on the leads page for easy access. And that's it, you've just added a related list in Zoho CRM. It's a simple but powerful way to connect data and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Zoho tutorial.